let's cook some deer heart tacos. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Grilling Addiction with Nick. I'm Nick. Tonight we're gonna cook deer heart tacos. It's deer season's in full swing right here where I'm at in central Oklahoma, and we have kind of a tradition in our house. When the first one of us, either myself or my two sons, shoot a deer, we make deer heart tacos on that first kill. So I'm going to show you a recipe that I've used, and we're going to make deer heart tacos tonight. You guys stick around. All right, guys, we've got this here on the cutting board. This is a heart out of a buck that my youngest boy Kyler killed. We just rinsed it out pretty good, and I'm gonna get it processed up for us, okay? So first thing we want to look at on this is we just want to kind of recognize its makeup. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm feeling for the hard fats. This hard fat on this heart, it's not going to do us any good as far as leaving fat there to render during the cook. So we're probably going to remove most of that, but just watch these seams here, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to follow these seams, and that's going to give us a really good a cut on the heart. All right, so what we're going to start with is we're just going to kind of take it like this. This little flap here, we're going to go just behind this little flap. We're going to kind of get into this fat like that right there. We're going to just kind of peel that back a little bit, and you're just feeling for these parts. All right, and then some of this fat we can just peel right off, or we'll just take off with the knife. I've got a sharp boning knife. If you don't have a boning knife, I recommend a fillet knife for this. Okay, and we're just going to go kind of all the way around this, because we want to get all of this these valves and whatnot. We want to remove that. We're not going to eat that part. Come down here on this side. We're going to go a little bit lower there. Just like that right there. And we'll come right over here. All right, now that we've got this here, we're just going to take our knife. We're just going to kind of work it down. Just like that right there. And that's going to kind of leave us with, well, we can trim this off right here. Just like that right there. All right, and now we're going to follow our seams, and this one right here will be our first steak. All right, we got into a little bit of the other muscle here. We just want to take this right here, just kind of fillet that open. We'll get all this blood washed out. And there's these little tendons in here, okay? If you've ever heard the slogan, pulling on your heartstrings, that's what these little things are right here. We'll go ahead and get those cut out. And then now we'll work on this one right here. There's that. Let's work these tendons out of here. We're going to make a little slit right here, help lay this out flat. Kind of like that right there. Cut off a little bit of that fat. All right. I think we'll be able to get 2 little steaks out of that one. We'll flatten this one out. Alright guys, I'm going to clean up this area a little bit, and then I'm going to show you what the next step's going to be. Okay guys, we're back. I just cleaned these up a little bit. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. What I'm looking for are these little tendons like this right here. What I told you, your heartstrings, right? Okay? And I just want to get all those out of there. So I'm just going to come in here, and we're just going to kind of fillet back what we can find of those. Just gonna take just kind of that top layer off. And we want what I'm trying to achieve here is just a little bit of a uniform cut. And we got a little bit of that hard fat right there, so we'll take that off. Okay. All right. So that right there is a great cut. Gonna make a great deer heart taco steak. Okay, so we'll set that off to the side and we'll work on these other ones. Like I said, we're just trying to cut off any hard fat and achieve a uniform, kind of a uniform piece of meat. And we're looking for those tendons. We've got a few right there. We'll just kind of lightly slice that off there. All right. That looks good. That one will be ready. We've got this little one here. This was, we kind of got into one of the other ones, and that's why we have a separate one here. But we won't let it go to waste. All right, now this here, what I'm going to do with this one, since it's pretty thick, I'm going to set it on the cutting board, and I'm going to take my sharp knife. I'm going to put pressure here, and I'm going to take this knife, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make a uniform cut from one side to the other, the same width all the way across. Okay, so I'm going to press down, and I'm going to go about what I think is half the thickness of it. Okay, and I turned out with that piece there, and then this piece here. And what we'll do with this one is we'll just take our knife, feel for those little tendons, and we're just going to kind of fillet that part out of there. See a little bit right there? I'm just going to kind of go right in there like that. Fillet those out of there. All right, guys. That looks really good to me. Little bit of hard right there. All right. All right, guys. Hey, deer heart tacos. We've got this deer heart processed up into all of our cuts, the way that we want it to be. You're not really looking for grain on a deer heart taco. I usually tell you guys to cut against the grain. All right, so we've got this stuff ready. And now we're gonna get it seasoned up for you guys, okay? Hey guys, the seasoning we're gonna use tonight is gonna be the Payne County Rust. I really think the Payne County Rust is gonna complement these tacos for this cook. That's what we're gonna go with. It's got a great balance of spices in it that will complement this and give us some amazing flavor. We're gonna pair that with the duck fat spray. Duck fat spray is gonna be basically our binder on these, but we're also gonna spray it on the grates as well. And I'll spray it before and throughout the cook and when it's finished, okay? That way, this is a very lean cut of meat, no fat at all. We've cut all the fat out of it. So to add a little bit of fat, we're gonna use the duck fat. It'll complement this deer very well, okay? All right, guys, we're gonna catch you guys on the board on get these seasoned up. Guys, I got so excited I forgot to push play when I season these up, but I season these up with the Payne County Rust here, and I'll put their information in this video. You guys go over there and get you some Payne County Rust and tell them that Grilling Addiction with Nick sent you. But we got these rubbed up and we're gonna go over to the grill. All right, guys, these are gonna go on the grill. It's gonna be a fast and furious cook. We're just gonna kind of keep them, we're gonna keep them moving. We're gonna cook these to about like a medium rare is what I'm shooting for. All right, guys, first flip. There we go. And then we're just gonna spray these with a little bit of the duck fat. We're just trying to keep it moist. There we go. Guys, just like that, those are going to be done on the grill. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to rotate the grill, okay? And they're going to be on the indirect side. And then I'm going to get the cast iron on to heat the tortillas. There we go. And then cast iron goes down. And a little the duck fat. Alright guys, I'm going to catch you guys over on the cutting board. I'm going to prep the onion and cilantro. Guys, we're going to prep the onion and the cilantro. We're also going to use these little bitty street tortillas. I like these little street tortillas for this cook. Just maximize the amount of little tacos you can make. So that's what we're going to use there. I'm going to go ahead and get these on the cutting board and let them kind of set and rest a little bit. They've cooked long enough on there. Here we go. Let's start with our cilantro. We're just going to take a little bit here. That'll be good for our cilantro. We're just going to slide it over. Got our onion here, and I'm going to go with a fine chop on this. Just going to take it down the middle. Hey guys, we got this thing done. I got them on the board. We're gonna get them sliced up for you guys and build some tacos. Okay, here we go. guys, right there. Deer heart taco meat. Now we're gonna build tacos. All right, guys, it's time to build some tacos. I have 3 tortillas right here. We're gonna build us 3 deer heart tacos right there, okay? I'm just gonna take me a slice or 2. We're gonna set it just like that right there. Maybe one more right there. All right, now we're gonna go with a little bit of onion. And we're gonna go with a little bit of cilantro. All right, and we're gonna add the Payne County Thorn Habanero hot sauce, guys. A great hot sauce. It's gonna pair good with this Payne County Rust, okay? So we're just gonna give it just a little bit on each one of these. Just like that right there. All right, guys, we'll be back with a taste. Hey guys, it's that time. We're gonna taste these tacos. I'm excited about this. This is one of the things that we love to do in our house. Deer heart taco. The first thing you're gonna wonder, does it have a bad gamey taste? Does it taste like something that's like, man, like bloody and whatnot? No, it's got a great flavor to it. It's a very delicate cut. We handled it with care. We took all the fat off of it. We got all the blood out of it. We cooked it the right way. We put good seasoning on it, and you notice I didn't have to really pull on that. It bit right apart really good because we cooked it good. Great flavor. The Payne County Rust is a balanced rub. It works on about anything. The hot sauce is sweet with heat, which I love, and the cilantro and onion paired perfect with it, guys. This is a killer cook. Great recipe. You guys, if you harvest a deer, don't throw that heart away. Throw it on the grill. Use this recipe. Hey guys, if you like these videos on venison meat or deer meat, let me know. I've got some other ideas and some other cooks I could bring your way. But hey, we appreciate you guys stopping by the channel. We appreciate all the people that follow, that watch every video, that like, that comment, that share our videos out. It means the world to us. We love what we're doing over here at Grilling Addiction with Nick. Guys, that's a wrap. On another great cook. We're out. Man, deer heart. It's about 30 whatever degrees now. So stinking good. I got dogs barking all over the place too. But that ain't gonna stop me from eating deer tacos. The dogs want the heart. That's what they want. Alrighty. Man, that's good. That gum.